Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email address in ChatGPT. First of all, you need to open ChatGPT on any browser, and then you have to go on the left hand side, click on your name, as you can see on the screen, and then you have to go to the settings, which is located just below the profile option. Once you go to the setting, click over here, and then go to the search option on the settings, and then type email. When you type email, an option will pop up. You have to click on the email option, and then you can see that the email has been shown over here. Click on the email that you want to change and put on the new email address that you want to change. Once you do it, you have to send the verification code. Now you have to go to the Gmail or any other email provider in which you have added your email to. Go to since I have my Gmail account, an OTP has come to the new Gmail account from where you have to copy and paste it into the option. As you can see, I have received the OTP. Click over here and click on verify. Once you click on verify, it will change the email address. Now keep in mind that it will also sign you out from all the ChatGPT login sessions so that you have to log in again. You can see that I have been logged out. I will click on login and click on the new email address that I have added. I will punch in my password. Click on continue. If you have two-factor authentication, you need to add your one-time or two-factor authentication code. Click on continue, and voila, you can see that ChatGPT has now changed the email address. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. As always, peace out.